Okay, so welcome. Today we're going to start talking about solving systems of equations algebraically. Okay, so these are the steps. So as I talk through these, just pay attention to what I'm saying, also write down what's here. Okay, so these are the steps. So one, you're going to solve one of the equations for one of the unknowns. Okay, so it'll be isolating one of the unknowns so that you have that unknown equal to something else. So you're going to solve one of the equations for one of the unknowns. That's step one. Then step two, you're going to substitute this equation, this solution, into the other equation. Okay? So you're going to substitute what you got in step one into the other equation in step two. And at this point, you're going to have an equation that has one unknown, a linear equation that only has one unknown. And then step three is you then solve the resulting equation for the unknown. And then then you'll end up with a value of that unknown variable. And then step four, what you're going to do is then you're going to take the value that you got in step three and you're going to substitute it into one of the equations that you have in step one and solve for the other variable. Right? So there are two unknowns you have to solve for. So in step three, you solve for one unknown. And then step four, you're going to then go back and substitute in the value that you found in step three into the other equation to solve for the other unknown. And then step five is you want to check to make sure that both of the unknowns satisfies both of the original equations. Okay, always check. Okay, so these are the steps that we're going to use in the next few examples.